I ordered this Dynatrap 3 off of Amazon and it didn't work. And I tried looking up online how to fix it and couldn't find anything. So I took the screwdriver that comes with the Dynatrap and I unscrewed all these little screws right here on the top, popped the top off, and look, it's not connected. So I'm guessing during shipping this just popped off. I've had this happen with some other stuff like a microscope I ordered off of Amazon. So really all you have to do is line this up and put it back on here. And if you get a pair of pliers, you can normally just pinch that a little bit and it'll seat that on that really, really nicely. And now we'll do what always horrifies my husband. It's where you plug it in while it's all opened up. Look at that, now it works. So if you order a Dynatrap and the only information you can find on my Dynatrap won't light up, the fan won't spin, and the only information you can get is it's your outlet, you can try just unscrewing these and seeing if your connectors have fallen off, either from just, being jostled in the wind or shipping via USPS, where they drop kick all your stuff onto your porch. So I hope this was helpful.